On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang, Bitcoin dying. My goodness. You may be wondering what's going on right now. My mic arm is collapsing. Yeah, it just kind of fell. I grabbed it and I yoinked it too hard. You know when you pull on it too hard? This is how we have to deal with technical difficulties in the morning. I need like a wedge thing. I think I found it. 1 second. Oh no. Oh no. It's really not working.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of haters, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of haters, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of haters, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
No comment. My mic arm's gonna fall off. Good morning, everybody. Yeah. Interesting. Good morning, Otter Gang, gang. Mic arm busted. I have Jimmy rigged it up. I have a wire brush pivoted underneath and some shims. If this thing falls, whoopsies. That's all I gotta say. What a start to the morning. Good morning, everybody. The mic is dumping today. What is going on, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I don't think I've ever had this kind of technical difficulty. Oh, man. You got this hell with sound. What's going on, Curtis Hill? Good to see you, man. We're here. I literally, if I touch this mic, it's gone. And it's in the way of my mouse right now. Oh, the thread is skipping. It's Army Piper's fault. It's always Army Piper's fault. Let me shut my door. I had to run and grab tools. What a treat. I'm going to end up grabbing it subconsciously and it's going to fall. So be prepared for that. That's where I'm at right now. I don't even know if it's high enough to... There we go. Maybe that's better. I don't know. We're here. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Bitcoin dumping, golden pocket rejection. How we all doing? I joined the Discord yesterday. Welcome, Matt. You only get the free section. You just got to go to the website, bro. Thank you for joining the family. AlexOCrypto.com. All right. Go over to AlexOCrypto.com. Just click Discord here. And then verify membership. And that will turn your name purple. And you'll be good to go, my friend. Welcome to the family, bro. I don't know. I can't even get a proper mic holder thingamabob. So annoying. I got some work to do after this. The thread is skipping, so anytime you get it tight, it goes pong, pong. It doesn't tighten. I feel like I'm gonna lose the mic today. I just bought this mic. I can't afford to just throw it in the gutter. Dave Digital, my man. Triple, what's going on? JR Prince, good morning, man. Dusty, how we all doing? Good morning, everybody. Marine Mike, morning. Nuclear agreement with Iran includes long-term inspections. Okay, that's good. MRPG, what's going on, man? Good morning. IO, Turn, 1. Y Crypto, Keen Bean, Mojo, Jojo, David Brumbelow, my man. How's it going, guys? 1 year high, US dollar, Army Piper, Alexander G, Django. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. You know what? I'm going to go get my actual clamp. I'm going to get 1 second. I'm going to go get my clamp. I have a clamp. Oh yeah, my old school Mastercraft. I've had these for 20 years too. Oh, that shit ain't going anywhere now, bud. Oh, yeah. New desk setup with the clamp system. I've arrived. AlexOCrypto. Okay. We got trust now. Nothing like being a carpenter. I should have got the clamp the first thing. I didn't think about it. I just thought, I put a wedge of wood in it, tighten it up to the wood, it would work. It didn't. Morning fog. I got to green light myself before I do any carpentry. Oh, we got to have a laugh. What's going on, Shrian? Aaron, how's it going? Mojo Jojo. Jay Becker, Rashad, Shrian, M. Miller, J.R. Prince, Curtis Hill. Good morning, Philly Skills. Wagwa, man. Bitcoin dumping overnight. Where are we going to go, guys? Rejection off the golden pocket. Continuation down. Local golden. Big old macro golden pocket that we front ran. last week. So here we are. How's everybody this morning? Thank you for being here. I'm going to go to Home Depot after this. Good afternoon, Hodo, Jack, Jackson Crew, Duality, Dusty. Good morning, George. How you doing? I feel like I need to go get more coffee. Everything is dying. It's all assets. Yeah, this is true. Arif, Marion, Trace, Bogo. Good morning, guys. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, didn't. What's going on, Crypto Rob? Good morning, man. Mr. Thailand here. How you doing, bro? Mojo Jojo, Trace, Marion. You should have the indicator now, Marion. Dusty. Good to see you, Notorious. Microphone down. Yeah, you buy a new microphone, then the arm dies on you. Oh well. We've clamped it. Good clamp job. We're doing a glue up, guys. We're doing a glue up on the microphone. Oh man, what's going on, G1 Constantine? How you doing, Mr. Kempe? Can I call you Kempe again? I used to call you Kempe forever, man. Guy Kemp. Good to see you. Happy Taco Tuesday, Chantel. God bless. Marion, B. Rad, Stewart, Proof of Work. Good morning. Decent Crypto, Laurent, Scoopy, Trace E, Keen Bean, Lucky Deal. What's going on, everybody? We're going to 0. Why did you do this to Alex Viper? Yeah. Here we are. Earning $50K a month and has a broken mic arm. That's me. Yep, that's me, man. Hey, man. I'm just here to click buttons, Django. We know that. I did click buttons really well yesterday. I did about 3,500. Yeah, I did really well. I shorted multiple times. It was pretty easy. I mean, you had the pink box area. I even longed in here. I mean, everybody in the Discord should be short with Kyle. Full stop. If you're not short with Kyle, then I don't know what to tell you, man. Kyle has spoon-fed the whole Discord. This is the thing. I'll give you levels, and Kyle, you get so many. Look, here's the Bitcoin. Enter Bitcoin short. Da, da, da. He pink boxed everybody. Look at that. Bitcoin short. Down we go. Sell wall. Profits. Took the trade. Yeehaw. Okay. So the whole Discord got short. I got short too. Counts at what? Let me get all situated here. I'm all out of sorts now. You guys all fucking me up. Damn you, mic arm. Gotta go buy a new mic arm. Just bought this mic arm too. I want a refund. Oh man. Okay, so yeah, where are we at? The account yesterday, $3,000. We're at 40, almost at 49,000, just shy. Taking the trades, showing the trades. No trades yesterday on the live stream. We did come up into our pink box. Everybody had the pink box level, so very nice. Rotation down. I managed to get short here, stopped out short again, and let this puppy ride down. Woke up this morning, took profits. Happy days. Now we are currently in a pink box retracement zone from before, from a long, long time ago. Oh, man. So where are we at, right? Swing low to swing high. Swing low to swing high. Golden pocket retracement level. Front running it on Thursday. All right. So when we're front running on Thursday, there's typically a chance to return to it. However, the way we've moved down is very aggressive here. What do I mean by that? So you get slow and fast price action, which always creates divergences. Okay, so we are looking for divergences here. However, the way we've come down is aggressive. So we need confirmation in order to long this thing. That's key. Okay, this is how you have $50,000 months, right, Django? Is that you wait. You wait, and then you scale your account. Okay, liquidity, imbalance. I would like 786 now. Okay, because we front ran this, everybody's like, oh my God, we missed a long. Okay. Depending on price action in here, though, we need to get above 63. 63 is the big old bastard. Okay. 63 is the one that's going to whoop our ass. 63 is a macro volume resistance level. Okay. So if you're not aware of what 63,000 is, you are now. Okay. So be aware that 63, there's a reason why they had to rip it through 63. Because it's high volume. Okay. High volume meaning there is turbulence in here. So if they don't push fast, they ain't getting through. Okay. So they pushed through pretty aggressively. They even retested it for all of you London traders. Okay. And it dumped again. Okay. That's spoiled right there. So now we are looking for what? Potential push. Potential higher high, higher low. No 12-minute structure. 12-minute structure is not changed in my opinion. So we're still just bear flagging. Drinking some Cummins cider. All right. Oof, I got a sneeze coming. Oh man, I should open up a sneeze fans. Sneeze fans? Is that a thing? You capture your sneezes in jars or something and people sniff it? Or is that the farts? I don't know which one it is. You guys let me know. Where do you find stuff like that? What do I think is first? I think we're going down, man. Unfortunately. What's going on, Piper? How you doing, bro? You took the short. Of course I took the short, man. What are we? This namby-pamby stuff here. What's going on? I scalped the short, but mic drop long now. Yeah. Red light, green light. Duct tape for Dusty. Yeah. Don't yank too hard. That's what happens. New room, guys. I had to break it in. Right? The new room. You guys are filthy. I love it, man. Mic drop. Oh, man. Rotation down of the microphone. Oh, man. I feel the carpenter should have... Imagine a wooden mic arm. That would be cool, man. It would probably creak. I'd have to get the WD on it pretty good. Right? Need to lube the crap out of it. That's lube the wood. There's another one for you guys. Oh, man. I had to yank on it, okay? I can't believe I have a clamp holding it. I love that you named your trend line momentum. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good little momentum line. She's nice. So what are we looking for? We're looking for bottoming structure right now. That's what we're looking for. Can we get a little pushback here? Everybody's bearish and awarish. I got my rolling mat. It's working out on the carpet, so I'm not stuck anymore. Just my mark arm is the state of it, man. All right, so push back here. We'll see. We're below VWAP. We should be looking for shorts. Golden pocket rejection right now. Coming into 8:30, so it took us a little bit to get going here. Solana dumping hard, man. Sheesh. Yeah, failure to get above 75. 75. Oof. 8% down. We gave the long here on Friday, 10% up, 8% down. I mean, that's a pretty wild swing for Soy Boy Lana. Everything down about 3% today. You look at SpaceX. Oh, welcome to SpaceX, Grandma. Right? Damn, she got beat up, man. Filling that gap, coming back. Oof. Poor. Shouldn't have sex in space, man. It's, zero gravity. Whee! Down we go. Right back down to IPO. Down we go, right back down. There's rhymes, man. We got rhymes. We do have Micron pre-market dump, guys. Look at this. Micron down 8% pre-market. Marvel. Is the bubble happening, guys? Or is this just an opportunity? I would say opportunity. Tesla. Woo-hoo-hoo-wee. All right. So Google got whooped. Yeah, it did. Look at that. NVIDIA. Woo-wee. Everything getting its ass whooped, man. The Dixie on fire. I think Army Piper pointed this out. The Dixie. A cheap dollar is good for trade, but it's not good now. We are ripping to the upside. Time to convert that USDT to Canadian dollars. That's what it's telling me. Wild times, man. Big old Dumperelli. Could this be the capitulation start? It could be. It could be. As long as you're prepared, it could be. And you could be getting in some pretty good entries. Remember, when everybody's fearful, you should be greedy. You should be. But it's important to be greedy, like, appropriately. You know what I mean? You got to be appropriately greedy, you know? We talked about this in the Discord yesterday when we did the macro analysis. And we do macro analysis and we talk about what I'm buying and a lot of that stuff. But, like, how to allocate in a capitulation zone. Because everybody's telling you this is accumulation zone. You should be buying everything. Which is going to get you wrecked, man. I'm sorry, right? So be aware of that. Be aware of that. So we're looking for a nasty market open. Look at the NASDAQ yesterday, guys. My Lord Jesus, God bless you all. But holy smokes, NASDAQ. Absolute dump show here. There's your tell right there. No strength at all. Coming straight down here. So not looking good for the DAC. Where are we for the ES here? Wall Street here. ES. Whew, same deal. Okay. Yeah, so not looking too hot here. Bitcoin rolling over. Choppy too. Very choppy and painful rollover. Not like very clean or smooth. Coming into market open. We do have data coming out in on Thursday. So Thursday's the data day. Expect tweets, man. Like whenever you get this kind of capitulation, Donald Trump watching that stock market, guys. Expect the tweets, okay? Some sort of savior tweet. That's what I would be expecting here. So currently in no trades. We'll see where we get to today. I'm looking for a retest to 63 and dump, guys. Unless we can find some support here. If we go through Market Cipher, which we will. We can see it doesn't look too hot, man. There's bull divs, okay? This is your one hopium, right? Like you got bull divs, I think, on the 3 or the 4 hour here, potentially. Which typically would return you to the highs, but the way it's gone down, especially in confluence with the stock market, we might be in for a little bit of a gong show today. We might be coming for the lows. Now, I did ask you, what do you guys think is coming first, second, or third? And you guys definitely are bearish, so I should be bullish. That's what that tells me. I just wanted you guys to tell me which way to go, so I should be looking for up. Good health, Alex. Thank you, Marion. God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well. Crypto Coons, good morning, man. How you doing, bro? YouTube will share the stream with more people. So more likes. Yeah, more likes would be welcome. 250 people in here and only 70 likes, man. It must be because I'm Canadian. Change your settings to after hours? What settings? Do you think that Splooshy gets some extra velocity in this space? Of course it does, man. Of course it does. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good evening, Aaron. How you doing? If Dixie's breaking up, would you convert your CAD to USD? Okay, so like with my I have a convert zone. This is what you do when you're Canadian, right? So you should do this if you're European or whatever, right? So USD CAD, you go on your macro, right? And you should have an area where you convert to and where you don't convert. That's it. If the dollar is stronger, that means the Canadian dollar is getting weaker. You see this? So if we are below $1.36, I don't convert it. You see? Trust me, when you convert thousands of dollars, this makes a big difference. Okay? Makes a big difference. Okay? Can you believe back in my day, in 2007, we used to be on parity. Pretty crazy, eh? Now, You see, AlexOCrypto not only is prepared, but, if you're an analyst and you're looking at a chart and you're converting regularly, you're converting USDT to Canadian dollars, which I am, fortunately enough. I am profitable, which is by God's grace and a lot of discipline and hard work. You should be trying to maximize the amount of dollars you make, right? So maybe if you're in Europe, you should be doing the same thing. You should have an area where analyze your chart, look where you want to convert your dollars and where you don't want to convert your dollars, You get an extra 10 cents on 20 grand. Whew, I tell you. Right? You do the math. Not just a dumb carpenter, okay? Lower. This says lower. Magic. I think Army Piper would be proud that I do that. He would be proud. What's going on, Etchka? How you doing, man? Good to see you, Curtis Hill. If Dixie is breaking up, I wouldn't want to convert. Yeah, so we talked about that. Good morning, streaming from the West Midlands. The West Midlands, mate. Are you from Worcester? Are you from Kidderminster? Maybe you're from Birmingham. Your beard resembles of a Muslim. Thanks, man. That's so kind of you, Morpheus. Are you bald and black? Like, I don't know what to say to you. You are the one, Morpheus. Did you think that was cool? Like your childhood gamer name? Very original. Sorry, we talk a lot of shit here, man. Anyways, I went there. It's early. A lot of people come here just to laugh, bro. Trading's hard. I identify as a raccoon. I'm Lord Otter King Beaver, Coons. Good to see you, bro. Oh, man. Too good. I can turn Muslim. I got the new lights. There you go. I'll hit you. I got you with it, man. I can also turn on Norwegian. Extra Norwegian. Extra Muslim. Well, United Arab Emirates, I identify as a... I love everybody equally. I just talk a lot of shit. Islamophobe? I wouldn't say it. I've been... one of my best friends to this day, Abdullah, is... he's from Turkey. I grew up with him. I used to go to the mosque. We used to play Nerf guns in the mosque. Nerf guns in the mosque and shoot people. It was kind of funny. One of my best friends. We still talk to this day. We've been friends since we were like... people would get so bad. They'd be praying and we'd be like hitting them with the Nerf guns and stuff. His father is God bless him. He was a priest. But I ain't just be kind. Don't be a douchebag, man. I don't care if you're white, black, purple, pink. Do your thing, man. We've shown you guys the class picture here. Remember, I grew up downtown Toronto, Canadian, but I was like there was 2 white kids in my whole class. Everybody, my best friend was Naroshan Sar Westwarren, Shiva Nugent, Tranjak Kumar. We have this beautiful thing called culture, right? That's it. Oh, hello from Dubai. What's going on, man? I wish I lived in Dubai, man. Lower my taxes, baby. We love fur babies. That's it. Let's talk about God. God is great, man. God is great. Without God, I wouldn't be here. That's for damn sure. Oh, praise God, man. You can't have culture without saying cult. Yeah, this is true. It's hot as fuck here. Yeah, it's we're like 20 degrees right now, Celsius. It's like a nice 80, 70 or 80, I think, Fahrenheit. This has got to go lower. Hopefully my clamp doesn't give out here. Chopping at the lows right now, showing a lot of weakness. Bear div, bearish, ES breaking down. Nasdaq, losing the lows right now. Yeah, this is not good. A lot of things are going to dump today, guys. We could have a capitulation day, which is pretty sweet. It is sweet because I gave everybody the pink box and they're short with Kyle in the Discord. So everybody in the Discord should be printing. If they're not printing, we'll stay a little longer, trade a little more, and we'll continue to crush this market. So far, so good. So far, so good. Yeah. Weakness, exhaustion. Any push is met with resistance here, guys. So we are generally looking for shorts coming into market open. If we look at market cipher, I mean, there was some hopium, right? Everybody got the hopium. The trigger wave yesterday, VWAP crossover trying to push up green dot, right? But look at the money flow. The money will tell you the long story, right? Always the money flow. So we're looking for some sort of rounding here. This could take quite a bit of time, guys. Remember, we said Bitcoin could find a bottom mid to late June. We could be doing that now. This is mid to late June, so we'll see where we get to. The 12-hour here, failed trigger wave, rejection, cross over the 0 line. Remember, money flow tells you the story, right? I'm going to have equal lows here, continuation down, lower low. Okay, still looking for anchor trigger wave, but just this was your anchor trigger wave right here. Now we're looking for an anchor wave, really. Okay, your 8-hour money flow has gotten above, but it's still choppy. So you have nice inward curvature here, but we're not very overextended in either direction. So trigger wave to the downside playing out quite nicely from yesterday. And then our 4, our 3, our 2, the 1. So basically the narrative for the day and how we're looking to get there. Very important today, guys. So what can we see? How are we looking to get there? Yada, 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 right? It's very important. Okay, so when we're looking at this, what do we see? Head and shoulders, knees, and... My son loves that. He goes knees and toes, head and shoulders, knees and toes, eyes, ears, mouth, and nose. Okay. It's slanted to the upside, which isn't the greatest. You typically want it slanted in the direction that you want it to fall. However, when we look at this in general, right, we have this beautiful push, right? We never managed to get above this trend line, okay? Simple trend line retest. Golden pocket, rejection. Oh, look at that. That was mint. Pink box, okay? Rejection, continuation down. Like I said, there is the potential here for a bullish divergence, okay? We have liquidity in the lows here. Very key. Liquidity here. Okay, so we would be looking to take this if we do not bull div out of here, right? If we do not bull div out of here. Be aware of that. So we would look for retest of 63, in my opinion, and down. Whee! Okay, unfortunately. As expectational order flow is down, guys. As soon as we change structure on the 12-minute here, we should be all looking for shorts. Okay? Very simple. We explained that to the Discord yesterday, right? As soon as we broke, right here, break a structure. We had this on the chart yesterday for everybody. We should be looking to short. We have 2 red candles in a row right here. Here's our low. Here's our retest. Down we go. Okay? Very ample opportunity to get short. Look at the VWAP slap you got yesterday. How many times have I taught you guys how to VWAP slap? Look at that short. Whee! Right? Retest to previous lows. Continuation down. Whee! So ample opportunity to short this thing. Does not look strong. Okay. Clear weakness throughout. Very dumpy. So Humpty Dumpty had a brick wall. Humpty Dumpty had a brick fall. Man. So if this, then that. Expectational order flows down. We have major resistance at 63. We are looking for shorts generally. However, can we find a bottom here and get going? We need confirmation of market structure, which means that we need to come above this high here and break it. This is our break zone. This is also our golden pocket 786 locally. So it doesn't mean it's going to be easy. We are in our golden pocket 618. Our liquidity is down at 61,000 and 60,000. Okay, so we are looking for structure in here for potential higher highs and higher lows. We are also looking for rejections up in here for a lower high and continuation down. Very, very ugly. NASDAQ continues to roll over, making another low, so we're looking for this. Same with the ES. The ES is looking like a turd burglar, okay? You know, the hamburglar, this one's the turd burglar. So lower, unfortunately, for all you bulls. This is summer lulls in a bear market, guys. This is, they give you hope, they rip it off. They give you hope, they rip it off. That's, if you haven't been through a bear market, this is how it goes. And then they chop you and they bore you. You haven't even hit, I'm telling you guys, you haven't even hit the hard stage of where it just does this for a month. For a month. Right, Piper? Oh yeah, if you want to join the Discord, you can. We're making money in the bear. You guys can do whatever you want, though. Join the Discord, AlexOCrypto.com, code vanilla. 8 traders, setups, signals. Incredible. Not financial advice. Do your own research. But if you haven't traded here or here, just wait, baby. Oh, that sucks. This sucks right here. I think this was the worst trading I've ever experienced in my trading career. And I started right here. I started with a bang, guys. I started trading right here. This had to be the worst, though, by far. Yeah, in my experience, this was... Magic Internet Money told me there was a time way back when he was, you know, that there was a worst area where it stayed at, I think it stayed at 15,000 for like 2 or 3 months. He told me there was a spot way back when. Where's 15K? Yeah, I know. He traded back. Probably right here. I don't know. He said, I think he said 15,000. There's no real capitulation at 15,000. No. Maybe it was 3,000. It was in here. It's probably here. This looks like terrible. Anyways. I got to learn how to use that zooming tool. I don't use the magnifying glass to zoom into price action. I don't even know if I know how to do that. Ah, okay. Yeah, this was horrible. So be prepared. That's it. Uncle Scar, be prepared. If you know, you know. Right now, we're looking to rotate down, holding the lows. Sweep of the lows bounce right now. Let's see if we get going here. Maybe we give you guys a coffee long. I'll give you guys a coffee long right now. I'm going to go and contemplate my existence here. I'm at a coffee. I am using a clamp for my brand new setup. And I'm very grateful for everybody being here. 330 people here. 40 of you are about to leave. That's fine. Go and enjoy TikTok. And hopefully you... I'll be back. I'm playing the dump song while giving along.
into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sharp. Dump it. Dump it. Down through the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sharp. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it or send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye-bye, soul. Elevator down. Losing control. Trapping the post, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it or send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it for send it to 0. Buy it. AlexO, alter gang gang. We want slap rotation now. Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sharp. Dump it. Dump it. Down through the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sharp. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it or send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye-bye, soul. Elevator down. Losing control. Trapping the post, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it or send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it or send it to 0. Buy it. AlexO, alter gang gang. We want slap rotation now. Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watching for, send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye-bye, soul. Elevator down. Losing control. Trapping the boost, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sure. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if
All
you
right.
are sure. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Bye. AlexO, Alter gang gang.
Gang, 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 gang. Let's go. Yeah, no long here. My God. Weakness, baby. Weakness all around. Bitcoin rolling over. Exhaustion at the lows right now. ES trying to find a low. NASDAQ rolling over as well. 7 o'clock. 9 o'clock for you guys. 7 o'clock for me. See if Biddy can push back here. Not looking too hot though, man. Sweep of the lows, golden pocket rejection. Where are we gonna go? Where are we gonna stop? Only Vegas knows. Lower. That's what I would think. Okay. Can't believe I broke my mic arm. You shorted 65.5. Let's go, baby. Jeez, let's go. Pay yourself on the way down. Everybody need to reverse the coffee long. Alexandra G with the 10 gifted memberships. Let's go. Coons. Gotwood. Lurker. Thought it was Friday. Lurker. Arabine. Lurker. Tilla. Willa. Lurker. Aiken. Lurker. Stay humble. Andor. What's going on? Alice Brooks. Julian. Lots of lurkers in the chat, man. The only thing I do require is you to say good morning, man. Say good morning. Don't be a weirdo. Thank you so much, Alexander G. God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well. Thank you for the 10 gifted memberships. My coworkers came to check on me and they asked if I should run for cover. Oh, man. Great time to enter the chat. Let's go. Alex Moto, good morning. Good to see you. Coffee long. Hell yeah. Could play, guys. There is an SFP exhaustion here at the lows. It could push back here a little bit. Maybe up into like 60, 62, 450-ish. You could see a lower high here, right? We could have a little retracement, then go. So the coffee long may work. You can see exhaustion here on the oscillator, even though we're pretty bearish. Not thinking I'm not taking any trades just yet. We'll see. It looks like bottoming before the pump. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. But you got to always remember trend, right? So when we're looking at this, yes, it looks like bottoming. Yes, we're in our golden pocket, 786 area, right? But when we look at our trend, right, we had a clean rejection off of our pink box yesterday. We broke our low here, and we were making lower highs the whole way down. There's no reason to be longing this, right? Right? So there's, I mean, if you need clarity, go on the hourly, right? There's your hourly. This looks like absolute dog shit, right? So we're taking the liquidity out of this low. We have this liquidity over here to come mitigate if we want to, which is down here. But yeah, this is corrective price action, right? When you come into a high and then you get ABC, right? Your job is not to try to find C. We knew where B was. We had the B set up. Everybody yesterday had the B set up. C can come in as a higher high. It can come in as an SFP. And it also can come in as a lower low. Okay? Corrective waves. I ain't your Elliott wave theorist. I'm just the guy who knows how price action works. So when we talk about where we're going, how we're going to get there, right? Like, this was shorting zone. That's why Kyle gave the trade setup. That's why I gave the pink box. That's why we were shorting this thing on the way down as a community. You're not bullish until you get 12-minute structure break. This is something that I talk about a lot, right? So until you can break a high, right, on the 12-minute time frame, which we never did, okay, you go internal high here. That's your first little hopium here, and maybe long this guy here, but you're definitely treating it as a retracement trade. And as soon as you lose the low here, you're gone, right? So be aware. This does not look good, especially because the stock market's dying, okay? Shorts pay, man. Shorts pay. Look how long it took to get up here, right? Look at this grind, right? This took from Thursday, the 18th, all the way to the 22nd. This four days. This is one day, right back. This is why shorts, you got to learn how to short, man, if you want to make that big money on the single days. Shorts are the way. Here we come. Down we go. Where we stop, only Army Piper knows. Army Piper, where are we going, bro? He's going to say 40K or something crazy like that. I know it. You're going to say it, aren't you? You're going to be like, I told you so. We're going down to 50 something. I'm just trying to clear this up a little bit here. We know we're in a pink box here, but we'll see. Rotation down. What's going on, A to Ace? I have my short TP set at 786. Nice, bro. GG Zeta. Thank you for joining the Discord. It's a pleasure having you too, man. If you guys are new and you are not subscribed to A to Ace, go and support A to Ace here, guys. Here's his channel. Maybe one of the mods can share it out. Go and subscribe to A to Ace here. There you go. One of our Discord members. I'm sorry about your Cardonzo, man. Bull divs. Trying to push back here. No strength. We do have bullish CVD down here, which is interesting. Macro trends down. We got exhaustion on the oscillators as well. Looking at market cipher, I mean, we're overextended to the downside quite extensively here. So anchor, trigger, bull divs, money flow rolling over aggressively right now. 5 minute. 24 down. Yeah. Look at that money flow. The money flow is just, this is nasty. 1 hour anchor wave. Yeah, you're still waiting for a higher low trigger wave. Yeah. No signs of strength just yet, my friends. No signs of strength. Thank you, everybody, for being here, though, and hanging out and supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys' support. 350 people here. Thank you for being here. If you guys wouldn't mind tickling that like button, Canada likes to suppress content. So if you wouldn't mind just, anti-Canading the algorithm, that would be much appreciated. Also, if you do want to participate in the giveaway this week, we do $5,000 worth of giveaways every week. And you can support the channel as well by signing up with the Bitunix link I just posted in the comments. You sign up with that, you deposit. We do the giveaway every week, $5,000, $15 on Wednesday, $15 on Thursday, and $2,000 on Friday, baby. So all you have to do is sign up with the Bitunix link. I do appreciate you guys supporting the channel and hanging out here. The only requirement I do say is please just say good morning. Don't be a weirdo. But you can support it further by hitting that little like button and subscribing to the affiliate link. I do get commissions from that, so thank you for supporting the channel. And if you want to join the Discord, that's where the alpha is. We have a summer code vanilla if you do want to join that too. All that shilly shit out of the way. But yeah, sign up with Bitunix. Enjoy the free money, big giveaways. And hopefully we can all you get VIP 3 too. Like it's an awesome deal. So sign up with that, support the channel, hang out here, take the trades, show the trades. I mean, it's all here for you. So thank you for being here, everybody. I do appreciate your support. It means a lot to me and to my family and the whole gang. We get to do lots of giveaways and lots of fun. So thank you. Okay, rotation down, guys. No signs of letting up here. NASDAQ weakness, ES weakness. Coming into market open, we got 20 minutes. Taking the trades, showing the trades. No trades right now. Did about $3,500 yesterday. Compounding the account. We started at 35,000 last week. We did 9,000 last week. We're doing really well. So far, so good. We've been depositing, showing you guys the account over and over again. The whole shaboozle, guys. We show the whole shaboozle here. We show you deposits into the bank account. We show you the account. We show you everything here. We go and we show you the last 3 months of the trading account. You can see I build it up to 30,000 deposit, 35,000 deposit, 40,000 deposit. A little bit of a struggle here this week. And then deposit. I even went negative last Monday. So I did a deposit. 55,000, deposited it. Then I went into 25,000. I was down 4K on Monday, and then I built it all the way back up. So we're back up to 48,000 now. There's the P&L, showing the trades, taking the trades every single day, guys. I don't know what else you want from me, man. We're just here trading, kicking ass, taking names. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. Hopefully we can help you guys navigate these charts and become a profitable trader yourselves. Always fun. And it's always a pleasure to serve you guys. Thank you for being here. 786 here coming down. GG's, everybody. Good morning. Don't be a weirdo. Thank you, Al. God bless you, man. Gang in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. Utterly fantastic. Let's go. Good morning, Kyle. Coffee dump. Messi or Ronaldo? Neither. I would go Messi because I'm short, and I think, Ronaldo has a natural advantage being able to head goals in. So I would say Messi. Messi is the better player because of the way he's managed to score relentlessly without having the ability to head the ball like Ronaldo. So Messi gets the edge just because of that. Ronaldo, overall player, better. But Messi is a fucking joy to watch, man. It's a joy to watch. But I think, you know, Ronaldo has a little bit of an edge because he can get up there and fucking head the ball, right? Favorite footballer? Like, I'm not a big football fan, unfortunately, guys. But when I was a kid, I loved watching Ruud van Nistelrooy and Pirlo. Those were my heroes. Pirlo for Italy. I'm Italian, so I love Italy. So I love watching Pirlo. I mean, that guy would cross the ball and put it right on your nose. He would cross the ball so good, it would hit you in the face and go in the net, right? Messi better player, Ronaldo's better athlete. Yeah, exactly. Absolutely. Oh, what? Overall better athlete. Yeah. Yeah, Messi is natural talent, whereas Ronaldo is a product of pure hard work. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. I love, you know, I mean, Messi is just incredible. Incredible. Skilled. You give him an edge because he's like, what is he, 5 inches shorter than Ronaldo, right? So, like, imagine if Messi was 6 inches taller and he could head the ball in, right? He would have way more goals, in my opinion. But, yeah, they're both a joy to watch. But for me, I'm definitely like, I don't know. Pirlo. You guys remember Pirlo, the chip shot goal? The chip shot in the Euro Cup? I mean, guys, for Italy, Pirlo was a Pirlo chip penalty shot. I'm going to get disqualified here. Yeah, this was evil. Watch Pirlo here. Oh my God, the balls. The cojones. So good, man. So good. So good. Italy. Oh, man. So good. Pirlo's free kicks are art, yeah. The best part is watching Messi just walk. He just walks around, and then he gets the ball and he whoops everyone's ass. Poor Joe Hart. Yeah, he's he's posterized, man. He's posterized. Tom Brady is your favorite football player? Oh, man. I'm sorry to hear that. Ronaldinho. Yeah, he was sick, man. Brazil. What sports do you love watching, Alex? I watch everything, man, except for like Formula. I watch everything though. Everything, every sport. I've played every sport. I'm very athletic. I've always, even though I'm a hobbit, I've watched everything. So definitely very sports oriented. I've played every sports. I'm like, for football though, like I like Jerry Rice was one of my heroes. I used to like watching Brett Favre back in the day was really prominent in the night. Like for me as a kid growing up, Favre was just unstoppable. Just like Cal Ripken Jr., right? The Braves back in the 90s. The Braves in the 90s were unreal, man. Maddox. Chipper Jones, Andrew Jones, Smoltz, right? Like, unreal. Pickleball is fucking gay, okay? Yeah, pickleball is gay. Pickleball is definitely, you know, it's like gay tennis. It's like, yeah. It's so popular, though. I thought about opening up like a pickleball court and just making it like an exclusive pickleball, you know, where they pick your balls and stuff. Have some masseuses in there. Exactly. Ripken Jr., yeah. I got a Cal Ripken Jr. Baseball glove. My first like little league baseball glove. I have it upstairs for my son. Nolan Ryan, yeah. See, I was a little bit late for Nolan Ryan. I was more like a Randy Johnson, Roger Clemens, Mark McGuire, Sammy Sosa era than Barry Bonds, right? It's kind of upsetting because the Blue Jays won in 92 and 93. I'm born in 90, so I wasn't really aware of baseball back then. Alomar and oh man, good times. Yeah, I was born in 1990, so I'm on the cusp of the generation of the last generation, right? I mean, which means I grew up with my mom gave me her pager when I was like 10 years old, downtown Toronto, quarter in the pocket, riding the bikes around, Tamagotchis, first Game Boy, Super Nintendo, no fucking Facebook, no cell phone kind of deal. Yeah, it was good. It was good. Saturday morning cartoons. Thundercats. Transformers. You know, not the Transformers they have today. Right? I'm very grateful for growing up in that era. Ichiro, Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon, yeah, all that good stuff. Crazy Bones, Pogs. Yeah, man. I still got my Crazy Bones and my Pogs. Good times. And I have my first edition Pokemon binder. I still have that as well. Nokia, yeah. Dragon Ball and Dragon Ball Z. That's it, man. So good. So good, man. Halo 2. Halo 2 LAN parties, guys. Oh, that was the shit. Like grade 8 Halo 2 LAN parties. Oh, yeah, right. Split screen. You got to put the like piece of tape, and you put a piece of tape in like a paper or a cardboard so you can't screen watch. Internet cafes and bubble tea. Sign me up. Counter-Strike 1.5. Don't get me started, guys. Command and Conquer, Red Alert. Jeez. GoldenEye was good, but I preferred Perfect Dark, man. Perfect Dark had better guns. I still play CS, guys. Don't make me fire it up. I'll fire it up. Don't make me fire it up. I haven't played in ages. I got an update. Man, then the kids who play now are ridiculous, so they just whoop my ass. I'm going to close it. I won't have Steam up while I'm playing here, or while I'm... We're trying to make money, guys. We're 30 years old now, okay? We don't need to be able to bunny hop on D-Dust and come around the corner with the op, deagle to op, and bam, you're dead, right? We don't need to do that anymore. We can, to go nostalgic, you know, play some CS Italy, get the hostages, shoot the chickens, right? You got to shoot the chickens, CS Italy, right? Right? I was sponsored by Bungie at one point. I used to play like tournament Halo and Unreal Tournament as well. Ding 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 ding. Let's go. Are we ding dong? I thought we had. You got me with the ding dong, Django. Commodore 64 era. That's cool, man. I did play a bit of Team Fortress. I liked Action Quake too. I don't know if you guys played Action Quake. I played a lot of Action Quake as well. Quake was really fun. Did I have a Razor scooter? No, I skated, man. I skateboarded. Ding Dong made it. I started drooling, Sue. I started drooling. Quake 3 Arena. Yeah, Quake 3 Arena was good. I liked Quake 2 rocket jumping, like more Quake 2. I didn't see the new Steam box info, no. Command and Conquer, yeah. I liked Civ too, like Civilization. That was good fun. Stilettos happening. This isn't. This wouldn't be a stiletto because you don't have a V-shape recovery really. Like this is not V-shape enough to give you that. I'm still waiting here, guys. This is no trade. See a little bit of exhaustion here. Continuation down. Retested lows. Not looking good, guys. We are in the golden pocket area. However, it did front run and tickle this thing earlier, right? So last week it front ran this thing. So we are in our golden pocket area. If we look over here, where's the liquidity, right? So we're looking to take this block here. This guy here. This guy here, right? Those would be our liquidity areas in general. And obviously the lows here and here. Okay, so if we go, it's always important to mark these out so you kind of know what you're targeting as we rotate down. So you could get reactions off of the green lines over here, right? Depending on price action. So be aware of that. We got obviously our first one. We never tapped here. Standard deviation 2 and 2.5. So we could, come down into here and bounce quite possibly, Everybody wish they were short. Very slow and painful death right now. So no trade right now. Still waiting, everybody. Thank you for being here. We got 380 people here on the live stream. We talking 90s video games, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Heroes of Might and Magic. Let's go, man. Heroes, man. So good. So good. I used to like the Griffins. The Griffins. That was some good stuff, man. The Skeleton Warriors. Those guys were good, too. Heroes was lots of fun, man. San Andreas. Let's go. San Andreas. You would just put on like the gym cheat where you like get super buff and fast and you could run faster than cars. Can never see the chart prices on the right. It's all hidden. So you can't copy it. I'm kidding. Sorry, we're talking to the chat, man. This is the chat. We get to all hang out here and talk shit and take trades together. That's what it's all about. And use wooden clamps to hold microphones, even though, we're crushing it out here. Command and Conquer, Counter-Strike, yeah. What was that game that used to go, let's get it on with the killing? What was that game? What was that game? Do you guys know what I'm talking about? I used to love that game. Let's get it on with the killing. And then you used to have mobs running at you, and you'd be like in a parking basement garage, and they'd just come at you. What was that game? Does anybody remember? Turok was good. Max Payne. I think that was it. Was it Max Payne? Turok. What game was it that said, let's get it on with the killing? GameSpy. That was GameSpy. Remember GameSpy? Quake 2, Half-Life, Team Fortress. Yeah, GameSpy. Let's get it on with the killing. That was GameSpy. Oh my God, GameSpy. Did I just hit a chord for everybody? GameSpy hit a chord for me, man. That's a Twitter post, guys. I'm this old. Rolling over right now. Lineage 2. That was good. What about Bushido Blade? Anybody play Bushido Blade? That was some fun multiplayer, man. Bushido Blade. Serious Sam, Doom, Duke Nukem. Yeah, let's go. StarCraft was good too. I grew up with like 70% Asians, so they would whoop my ass, man. Bushido Blade was cool, man. Lineage 2 for 10,000 hours. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Coming into market open. So creating liquidity to the lows, right? So this is we're expecting this to come back up. Where it comes back to, we'll see. I'm not about to like long this into market open. We can see that the ES is rolling over, the NASDAQ rolling over. Stocks look like crap, guys. Stocks look like crap. We can see, you know, everything, Marvel, everything's down 6, 7, 8% on pre-market here. So look at this. Pre-market down 10%. AMD down 8%. Okay, so pre-market looks terrible. Coming into this, let's see where we get to. Look at us bunny jumping here all over the charts like CSGO. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Good times, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 390 people here in the live stream. Thank you for supporting the channel, hanging out here, smashing like buttons. Good times, man. Good chats, good memories. Let's see where we get to today on market open. We got 20 seconds here. Solana looking bad as well. Yeah, we'll see where we get to. It's just if this then that. It's been a bit of a tricky market lately. So pick your spots. That's all I got to really say is you got to pick your spots. Looking for a sweep of this low in here at 61,750 and see if we can rotate back up. Right now it's looking quite nasty. Market is open. SPY gapping down. Big gap down for the SPY this morning. Sheesh. All right, down we go. Where we stop, only Army Piper knows as we go. Bitcoin flat, Solana flat, NASDAQ down, sweeping, SPY rotation. Let me zoom out here. I don't know why it's all blue here. Let's get rid of this thing here. Big old gap or rally to the downside here. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. We'll see where we get to today. Bitcoin trying to hold here. Taking the trades, showing the trades, showing weakness right now. Just choppy to the downside. Slow bleed out. Solana, same deal. NASDAQ. Trendline. SPY down. Sheesh. Down 1.5%. That's trillions of dollars here on the stock market going down. Coming down for the low right now on Biddy. No bounce. Solana, same deal. Rotation down. Still looking weak here. No trade right now. If we get a reaction down into this area here, we could potentially get long for a retracement scalp. Or we could look for a retest of previous lows for a short. So retest of previous lows for a short. Let's see if NASDAQ's bouncing a little bit here. Okay, showing a little bit of life. Damn. Dixie ripping to the upside. Dollar is strong, which isn't good for stocks. Okay, nice sweep and bounce here. Push back on Bitcoin. Coming back, retesting the lows right now. Coming back for late shorts. Nice push on Bitcoin here. Retest to previous lows. Into resistance. No trade yet. Nice bounce. Nice bounce. Okay, pushing. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. I need to know. I need to know. Coming in, we're going to have some volatile price action here. Already pretty much a 1% orb. 0.75% here. Solana pushing back aggressively. NASDAQ bouncing. Trying to find lows here. SPY bouncing as well. Good start here. Retracements coming back for all those late shorts. Still no trade here. Sweep of the highs here on Solana. It's taken the liquidity. Can continue down if it wants. Bitcoin into some resistance right now. Showing some strength. Nice candle on the way up here. Thank you everybody for being here. We'll see where we get to. SPY showing strength as well. NASDAQ pushing up. In my opinion, this is just a liquidity grab to continue down. Just where and when. Solana retested lows, volume resistance here. And VWAP. Bitcoin. Nice pop off here. Still waiting, no trade. Nice little pushback here for Bitcoin. Trying to hold, trying to push. Trying to hold, trying to push. Retest back in. Halfway down the candle. Solana trying to hold, trying to push. No strength yet. A good candle, but still it's questionable here. We'll see. Market open. Oops, didn't mean to go there. Meant to go here. Okay, SPY continued weakness. NASDAQ. NASDAQ showing a little bit more strength than the SPY right now. Bitcoin trying to push up here. No sweep of this low. Interesting. No trade right now. See if we can get follow through up into our break of structure here. Solana trying to hold and push up. Nice little block here for Solana. NASDAQ continuing to climb here. Good sign. Bitcoin halfway down the candle. Potential push up here. Trying to hold these lows right now. No trade. 1 minute. NASDAQ climbing. SPY trying to climb as well. Solana coming down. Retest to previous highs. Continuation up potentially here. No trade. Still waiting. I like the potential push up into VWAP here. Could have longed here. I'm not going to take it though. I don't think they're going to make it easy, but we'll see. Nice pushback. Solana ripping. NASDAQ trying to push. Weakness in the SPY though. Interesting. Weakness in NASDAQ too. Still no trade here. I think this is enticing buyers right now. They're trapping longs. Trapping longs right now, in my opinion. See, I would have longed that, but we never took liquidity here. SPY and NASDAQ looking weak. Trying to hold. Solana trying to hold as well. Bitcoin, lower high still. No strength in the move. Trying to push back here. Still waiting. All right. I want to see Bitcoin come here. This is where I want Bitcoin to come. Something like this. You don't always get what you want though, do you? Hanging man engulfing candle on Solana. trying to hold here. NASDAQ trying to hold this wall. Rotation down. SPY as well. No strength in the move. Dixie climbing. SFP on Solana here. Like, if it wants to go down, it has every right to go down right now on Solana. Bitcoin trying to hold on, dealing with this volume resistance right now. Trying to push. NASDAQ pushing back. Here we go. A little bit of a pushback here. Can Biddy get some legs? Can Biddy get some legs, or is NASDAQ just going to get exhausted here? 1 minute Biddy. No, looks like crap. Still waiting here. Going right into the Discord after this. Looking forward to trading with the Discord. We do 3 live scalping sessions, continuations after the live stream in the Discord, which is always a good time. We catch some pretty wicked trades in there sometimes. It's good fun, man. Always good fun. All right, diddling in the middle, no trade. NASDAQ showing strength. SPY pushing back. Could lead to a push here. Potential push here. Retest to previous highs. Continuation up for Solana. Up into VWAP. Potential. NASDAQ's higher low trying to climb here. I feel like it's still a trap. I'm not taking it, guys. It's still a trap. I feel like it's still a trap. I think this looks like a trap. SFP of the high. Bitcoin trying to push here. Typically, I would look to long here, but the way it's come down here, it's okay. SPY can come back into this. NASDAQ pushing out. Where's NASDAQ got a sweep? NASDAQ just swept this high. NASDAQ retested previous lows. That's here as well. Let's see how the NASDAQ behaves here. It's going to be important. Yeah, see, if I long Solana there, I'd be wrong. I'd be very wrong. I'd be stopped out already. Good discipline, good patience. NASDAQ climbing. SPY's slowly climbing. Okay. Still waiting here. Trying to push out. Chop, man. It's all Army Piper's fault for saying it's going to go to like, what did you say, Army Piper? 39,000? 39,000 is your number? Jeez. That's cruelty, man. What's Army Piper's number? What's going on, Wemba? Good to see you. King Froggle, good to see you, man. Discord stream is good fun, yeah. SpaceX back to where it started. There we go. Longs. Chantel's long. Let's go, Chantel. GG's. Dow is down 350, yeah. When did I adjust my pink box? So this is still all pink box area here. This is still all pink box. Okay, I've just brought it down to the low right now. So this is still macro pink box area. I just don't want it to be in my face. I don't want to be trading with a big ass box in my face, you know? Some of y'all like boxes in your faces. That's fine. I can't see price action that well here, so I've moved it. Twisted Metal too. Let's go, man. Twisted Metal. Good times. All right. Chop at the top here. Solana sweep. NASDAQ. Retested previous highs. Continuation up. I'd like to see follow through, but there is no follow through. There is no second best, guys. Where's our SpaceX? SpaceX down. Damn, Daniel. Tesla down 4%. Damn, Daniel. Bitcoin trying to climb here. Solana looking weak. Chop in the middle here. We're diddling in the middle. There's no trade here. Guys, I'm going to have to get a haircut, man. Like, I don't know about this who you're trading against shit. Like, I don't know how you guys convinced me to grow my hair. I'm going to have to cut it, man. It's getting to a point where, like, my wife won't even sleep in the same bed as me anymore, guys. So, you know, I think I'm going to have to cut it, man. I know, like, you all want me to have the mullet or the man bun. But, you know, at this point in my life, this look isn't working, guys. It's not working. Like, I look like an absolute dweeb, man. Like, this thing, I wake up and it looks like I either look like Magneto. There's no trade here. Like, I wake up and I'm like this. I'm like, I'm ready to do the Magneto because I'm receding. Right? I'm like that 30-year-old receding hairline. Like, I'm like this. I'm like, looks like I'm wearing a helmet. Or like I have to do something here where I'm like, good morning, wife. Aren't I attractive? You know? I want another baby. I can't just keep showing her the bank account, you know? Like, at some point, I got to be like attractive. I don't get the same lighting in real life, guys. Fucking hell. Still no trade here. Orb is in. Can't believe you guys convinced me to grow my hair. By the way, that's who you're trading against. Do the windmill and she will understand. Alexander G likes my hair. You got to stick to the mullet, bro, in honor of the Oliver tree. Mullet or bust. No haircut till 1 million deposit this year. I'm not there, Dave. Yeah, those levels are previous lows. They're like liquidity sweeps. They're mint machine. I'm going gray from all the revenge trading. Yeah, exactly, man. Yeah. I go on tilt, man, just like everyone else. I go on tilt. I just have a loss limit. I went on tilt last Monday. I was about to blow the account. But I have rules that stop me from doing that. Go and watch the Mindset playlist. I've been putting a whole bunch of those. I've been putting all those together for you guys. It's a decent size orb. We'll see. Solana flaccid. NASDAQ, yeah, retesting lows. Weakness here. Tesla breaking down too. The SPY's climbing. So gap fill is good, but depending on how far do we want to gap fill here. What do we have for resistance here? This looks okay. And this looks okay. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, we'll see. Chop down here. Trying to hold on, man. Dixie's still climbing. SPY's climbing. NASDAQ's climbing. Okay, so a little bit of bullish catalyst here. Trying to push back. We got hanging man engulfing candle here. Potential pushback for Solana. I like Solana into 69.50 here. But she's slow, man. She's slow today. Bitcoin trying to flip orb here. Orb rejection. Potential short here. Nice climb from the SPY here. SPY is pushing back nicely. Still no trade. I can't force it, guys. Why don't I have ads? Because I turned them off, man. You guys don't want to see ads, man. I don't make shit off of Google, off of YouTube. He's half spaghetti too. Knees weak, arms are heavy. All right. I turned the ads off, man. We ain't here to, you can join the Discord. You can use the Bitunix link. There's your ads, man. There's ads here. Just support the channel that way. Google takes like 50%, man. Right? So don't worry about that. We do the big giveaway tomorrow, Thursday. Looks like continuation up here. A little bit of exhaustion though. Yeah, not something I'm really interested in. We got higher highs and higher lows here on NASDAQ, showing some strengths coming back for late long or late shorts. Top of the orb rejection right now. Solana weak as well. Pretty choppy, guys. Not something that I'm really looking to execute based on price action here. This would be golden pocket 786 retracement from high to low. 786 rejection. If it's going to reject, lower orb rejection. Still waiting here. Not forcing it. NASDAQ's pushing, SPY's pushing, so it's a contrarian trade against the market here. The market is recovering a little bit, but it's still down quite aggressively. Bitcoin major resistance at 63. Definitely be considering shorts up here. This is major short zone here. But nothing right now. This just looks weak. Market safer trying to push out here. Higher low. Continuation. $30-minute engulfing candle. Looks decent, but it's not the area where I'd long. This is the area where I'd short, if anything. So still waiting here, guys. Got NASDAQ pushing and SPY pushing, which stops me from taking the short right now. Solana's just chopping in the middle. Bitcoin looking to sweep the high here. Gonna get above orb. Still waiting. I don't want to force this here. Looks like we got follow through to the upside. So far so good. Double bottom, continuation trade. Hanging man, engulfing candle on Solana, trying to push up. Same with Bitcoin here. Trying to get some follow through, closing above orb. Failed orb breakdown or breakout is bearish. So if we can get a failed orb here, if we close above and then we get some, that would be a nice short as well. Continuing to climb here though, looking decent. Is anybody long? I saw Chantel was long. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. GG's. I always like seeing you guys win, man. If you guys are winning, GG's. I mean, we had a really good day yesterday. Started the week off with $3,500. So I try not to be greedy. I gotta watch that. It's always important to me, anyways, to try to remain humble and even. Still waiting here. Exhaustion. Yeah, overextended now. Can consider shorts. We're allowed to consider shorts now. Not yet though, no trade. Sweep the high, Bitcoin. Very, very weird bottom. Like we said, on our way down here, we expected this to get recovered. So, working out so far. How we're getting there, it's pretty ugly. Look how fast it drops on your ass, right? So, gotta watch. Chop and pop, right? So, price action, especially when the VIX over here is at 20, right? So, it's volatile, but if it's taking its damn time, then it's going pow, right? So you got to watch for that getting caught offside, right? It will whoop your ass. I'm just saying. It will whoop your ass. The market doesn't give a crap about your feelings. The only job that will take your money. Okay? Go to Walmart, push the cart, get your $100 for the day. Happy days. Come here, take some bad trades. You lose $100, right? So it's always important to be patient. Wait for your setups. You should all have a playbook, okay? You should screenshot. Okay, go in here. Maybe it's breakout, retest, SFP of the low, right? Screenshot it. Put it in a folder. Look at it. Type out what's going on the chart. Okay, we got SFP, golden pocket, stiletto, whatever, right? Like, and understand what it is. Then put it in your wanking chariot box, so you have it and you can refer to the list over and over again. And you should be memorizing these things so that you know what you're looking for. Trident pattern, perfect trident pattern right now. Perfect trident pattern. NASDAQ rolling over. Considering a short here. Close below orb. NASDAQ pumping, no trade. Still waiting. SPY bouncing. NASDAQ still pumping, no trade. Close below orb though. If we engulf this, we could short. Might still need to come for this high here. We might need to sweep the high here. Continuation up. NASDAQ pushing. SPY pushing. Yeah. No trade. Still waiting. Unless you want to like... no, I don't really like that. Still waiting here. 1 minute looks bullish. Yeah. No trade. Still waiting here. NASDAQ here. Yeah, still has strength. Solana still got legs, man. Solana got legs. Biddy got legs. Trying to push up here. NASDAQ trying to push as well. See if Bitcoin can come for the high up top here. Failed or breakout. If we do start to push down here, I will short if we lose this low here. A little bit of exhaustion up at the highs here, so. NASDAQ still growing. It's a grower and a shower. Damn, Daniel. Strength in the move. Solana, same deal here. Oh, a little bit of weakness on Solana. NASDAQ rejection? No, NASDAQ legs. Interesting. Contrarian. If we can close below that low, I'll hammer short. NASDAQ just showing strength here. We got to close below the low here. No strength. Still waiting. NASDAQ higher high. Continuation up. Solana continuation up. Bitcoin continuation up. Still waiting here. Thank you for being on the live, everybody, and hanging out here. God bless you. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Perfect wick test on the 12-minute. Right here. Yeah, I guess you could do continuation trade wick test here for 12-minute. I don't typically take 12-minute wick tests. It's not part of the strat, but it is valid. Close above orb is bullish. That's how I would treat that. And we look to target the liquidity of the highs here. NASDAQ continues to climb. Same with the SPY. Very nice. Very, very nice. Good continuation here. Trying to push back here. Can it go? The higher probability trade today is mitigating this high, retracement, and continuation. That's the highest probability trade today that I can see. Right now, it feels like we trapped shorts, and now we're trapping longs. It feels like a trap in both directions. NASDAQ showing strength, though, so we're not trying to fade Bitcoin just yet. We can see the SPYs recovering a little bit here, so this is a good sign for the SPY. Doesn't mean we're out of the woods. It just means that there is some strength coming into the market right now. Doesn't mean it continues. Not necessarily. Remember, Bitcoin is down 2% to start the day, right? So pretty nasty dump day for Bitcoin and Solana and ETH. So we'll see where we get to if this can continue to push here. Congratulations if you longed in here. Hopefully you guys are getting paid. This wasn't a setup for me, guys. Just trickle down, bounce. I mean, we had the otter sign here. Kind of splitting hairs. Nice push for Solana here. I like the retest. This would be the best trade too for the long here. The retest of the high here. That would be the best trade in my opinion. Retest of the wick high right here. This guy right here. That would be the best little test in my opinion. But trapping longs on the way up here. SFP of the high. Continuation up. Got to push Bitcoin. Thank you everybody for being here. 400 people here on the live today, guys. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. I only need like 16 more likes if you guys wouldn't mind. That'd be pretty cool. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Patience is all it is. If you can't make it, turn off the computer and come back in 3 months. Yeah. What's the trident? Trident's it's just a candle pattern. You got 3 candles. 1, 2, 3. And it looks like a trident, right? Boop, boop, and boop. Here's your trident reversal pattern. Google it, my friend. Google it. You googly. Right here. Trident pattern. Boop, boop, boop. However, NASDAQ's ripping. SPY's ripping. No trade. Coming into that SFP. Sweep of the high. Retest of previous lows. NASDAQ continuing to go. SPY continuing to go. Still waiting. Pretty slow, guys. Very ugly. Very ugly the way it's moved up here. Trap, trap, trap. It looks like a trap. Smells like a trap. Probably a trap. Didn't take the high, which is interesting. Front run the high. So weird. Trading is waiting. Trading is waiting. That's it. Retest of orb, continuation up potentially here. Solana, sweep of the high. NASDAQ retracing. Pretty bearish candle, tweezer top on Solana here. Close below orb here on Bitcoin. Interesting. NASDAQ still has legs. No trade. We got to start trading NASDAQ, man. This is such an easy fucking continuation trade here. Wick test, continuation down. Tweezer top on Solana. Considering a short here. Strength, man. It's got strength. No trade. There's no strength here. Volume coming in, pushing price higher. No trade. Maybe Army Piper has some hopium for you guys. What do you guys think? Army Piper, ready to go? I'm ready to jump in the Discord and do some trading. It's stuck in my head today, man. All right, that's enough out of me. I gotta fix this. I gotta fix this stupid ass microphone thing. ARM. No trades today again, man. It's been very choppy. No real direction this morning. Thank you everybody for being here. We're gonna jump into the Discord and continue this live trading session. We'll see where we get to today. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel and hanging out here. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the giveaway. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital.